is my hair smoking? Hi guys, today we're gonna be trying to style my hair. Currently looks like this. I would say my hair looks the best right after I hop out of the shower and I let it air dry, but after I sleep on it, I've been sleeping on my left side because I got a piercing on my right side, so it ends up making this side kind of stick out, so my hair just kind of all goes this way. I watched Dustin Vuong's video on how he styles his hair and I just really want to try it out. I will say I haven't put any like heat on my hair in like more than 10 years. Like someone tried to curl my hair when I was like in 3rd grade and then I got burned by an iron and I just never really attempted it again, but I bought a straightener and I bought some heat protectant, so I'm just gonna go for it. Oh, why does it smell like that? I like don't know if I'm putting too much or too little. Maybe I will just concentrate it more on the colored parts. It also says section by section, but I'm kind of impatient. You know what? I think that's fine. I think I'm just gonna do like whatever's down here. Actually, let me read this first. Okay, it says heat level 285 to 325 for fine thin hair. Whatever. I'm so confused. How do you... Oh, I turned it on. Okay. I'm doing 325. I also have one of these thingies for the bangs. Oh, I really don't want to burn myself. You know what? Maybe I'll make it like 300. I have this. Oh, where is it? That burn from when I went to this girl's like sewing party from a silent auction that she won, and an iron basically fell off the rack and just burned my arm, and I didn't know what to do, so I didn't tell anybody until I went home, and my mom was like, what the heck is wrong with you? How long do I have to wait? This is so sad. Oh, I mean, that kind of did something. I'm terrified. Oh. Oh. Okay, I didn't do the best job of sectioning. This looks atrocious. How did he make it look so easy? Why is my hair literally sizzling? Oh my god. Okay, there's definitely some pieces in the back that are like kind of still straight. I'm just gonna turn around. I don't have my mirror, so I don't really know what anything looks like. You know what? I'm just gonna go with it. It's okay. Dude, I don't know how people like do their hair every day. Like, I feel like I'm in danger of like burning myself. I also think I was maybe supposed to let the heat protectant dry a little longer. I don't think that's the look. Is this supposed to be this hard? I don't know like how close to the root I'm supposed to be getting, because I'm like more focused on the ends. Oh my god, this literally looks so bad. I'm hoping it'll like come together, but if not, I may just straighten everything again. Oh, that did not do what I wanted it to do. Okay, now it's a curl. Oh my god, how do people do this? I'm sweating. Why does my hair just slip through it like that? Okay, you know what? go for it. I'm gonna leave the front pieces out. That was bad. Oh, that was not good. Okay. I don't know if this is getting better or not. Why is my hair smoking? Okay. This side has way more volume than this side. Now I'm just gonna try and insert some volume at the top because my hair is so flat. Okay. These are the front bangs. To be honest, I've always wanted to try just straightening out my bangs and seeing if I should cut them fully. I'm gonna try and go for like a nice little side outward pull. That definitely sounds fried. Something like that. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna wait for everything to... Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Why is it so hard? How do people do this? I have no idea what it looks like. I think there's a lot of hair that's been touched and a lot that has not been touched. Oh, okay, that kind of did more than I thought it would. God, how do these people do it? I literally, this is what happens when you grow up not having any care about what you look like. Oh my god. I think I curled the ones on this side like inward instead of outwards. I'm like, should I just straighten everything and start over? That sounds like a bad idea. Yeah, I keep curling in. Fuck. Okay. Okay, let me like shake it out. Okay, this was kind of a fail. Okay, I'm just gonna try straightening everything. Why? This was a bad idea. I don't know, I feel like my hair naturally is already so straight. So I'm just gonna do big chunks. Okay, this was mostly a fail, but should I cut my bangs? Because normally they're like very side swept. Didn't do the best job on curling or straightening. But this is the most close together my bangs have been in a long time, because I've had a middle part for so long that they just always separate. I'm like, I don't know if I should cut them shorter. you know, this was really a big fail. I also tried to like do everything in 20 minutes, so maybe I'll attempt again. You know what? It's okay. You know, I think I'm learning that texture goes a long way, but I definitely need to learn how to do this properly, or I may just stick to the normal straight hair look and just not have everything go to one side. I feel like today I learned hairstyling is not for me, but at least I made an effort. You know, this was my biggest fear. Needing to style my hair for it to look good and not knowing how to style it. But the more I just like leave it, if I just kind of tuck it away, it's almost like I don't even have bangs. If I just kind of move things around. Oh my god. We're gonna call it a day. I'm kind of embarrassed to leave my room looking like this. Also, the heat protection spray really smells so intense. Like, I definitely won't be using as much next time. Anyways, I don't know why I thought this was a good idea, but hopefully you enjoyed watching me struggle, and hopefully I get a lot better at this. So, see you next time.